Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Unfortunately, today's moving day. I really hate to leave this area. I really do. It's been an awesome place to be. But I need to get everything packed up and move on. As you can see, the tire's still holding pressure. I haven't moved, obviously, since I fixed this tire, but today's the day we find out how well the patch works. Well everyone, I'm out. All the tires are intact, knock on wood. We're gonna be getting on the interstate. And I'll prove that this actually works. Got some rock marks on there. Other than that, everything looks good. Well everyone, I'm here in Phoenix and I'm at 602 Auto Sports to get this tire replaced, but just wanted to show you that patch worked and flawlessly. I was moving along at interstate speeds and not a problem in the world with this thing. As a matter of fact, I'm actually going to keep this tire as another spare. Well everyone, I cannot tell you how nice it is to work with people, to work with you, and do what they promise and everything else. And I can't say enough about 602 Auto Sports here in Phoenix. Good group, good service, good prices. Peace out, people.
Thank you.